Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the difference between or comparison between AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in cloud computing and you want to know that which solution is better, either AWS, Azure or GCP Google Cloud Platform. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, Amazon, Microsoft Azure and Google dominate the public cloud landscape, providing the safest, flexible and reliable cloud services. Their respective cloud platforms, AWS, Azure and GCP, offers clients a range of storage, computing and networking options. Some of the features common among the three platforms include instant provisioning, self-service, auto scaling, identity management, security and compliance, among others. Here on this screen you can see the comparison of compute services of AWS, Amazon Web Services, is Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform. So on this screen you can see in detail the comparison of compute services. Then the next one is the storage services. So in detail you can see from here that what are the services offered by AWS, Azure and GCP for storage services. Here the comparison of AI with respect to the three platforms available for the cloud computing. Next one is the database services, backup services and serverless computing. This is the comparison here. So you can see in detail the comparison. Next one is the networking, security, location. This is the comparison of the three platform here. Next one is the documentation, pricing, caching, file storage, DNS services and notifications. Next one is the load balancing, automation and compliance. So friend, from here you can get the overall comparison of features of the three platforms of cloud computing. Now friend, at present AWS can be considered to be much bigger than both Azure and GCP in terms of functionality and maturity. However, the other two are progressing at a faster rate to prove their market dominance. As AWS versus Azure versus Google Cloud pricing. Friend, when we talk about pricing structure, while choosing a public cloud service provider, the price aspect is considered to be the prime factor that influences the decision making of IT firms. Apart from aforementioned pricing models, there is another model that is worth mentioning. AWS and Azure are offering their cloud services with pay per minute billing options, whereas GCP is ahead of them by providing a pay per second billing option. Moreover, GCP is offering various discounts and flexible contracts to gain maximum demand influx. Amazon Web Services (AWS), a pioneer of cloud computing, Amazon has been the first entrant into the cloud service market over a decade ago and leads in terms of both the number of products and customers, with AWS considered to be the benchmark of cloud service quality. AWS offers a range of infrastructure as a service (IaaS) offerings that can be classified into computing, database, content delivery, and storage and networking. AWS enables a smooth and flexible data collection flow using serverless services such as Amazon Kinesis Streams, Amazon SQS queues, and Amazon AWS Lambda functions. It provides organizations with the option to choose the web application platform, operating system, database, and programming languages, among others, as per their requirement. Cloud infrastructure resource usage can be monitored using AWS management tools such as AWS Cloud Trail and Amazon Cloud Watch for tracking user activity, and AWS Config for managing the resource inventory and changes. AWS contributes to significant enhancement in the productivity and business growth of organizations. A few drawbacks of AWS include the complex infrastructure and default service limits, which are set in accordance with average user needs. Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure platform has been designed for building, deploying, and managing various services and applications through the huge network of Microsoft managed data centers. Azure offerings include compute, networking, data management, databases, and performance. Azure Site Recovery enables organizations of all sizes to orchestrate site-to-site replication and data recovery to VMs hosted on Azure itself. Azure offers zone redundant storage or data storage redundancy across multiple data center regions. Azure Express Route facilitates connectivity of the data center to Azure through a private link without using the internet, thereby providing higher security, greater reliability, and lower latency. Azure also has extensive networking capabilities, including support for multiple site-to-site connections to virtual networks, along with the ability to connect virtual networks across different regions to each other. Google Cloud Platform GCP. With an intuitive interface, lower cost, printable instances, and flexible compute options, GCP is an attractive alternative to both AWS and Azure. Google uses full-scale encryption of all data and communication channels, including the traffic between data centers. Some of the areas where Google Cloud strongly competes with AWS include instances and payment configurability, privacy and traffic security, cost, efficiency, and machine learning. While all the three cloud providers offer discounts up to 75% for a commitment of 1 to 3 years, Google additionally offers a sustained use discount of up to 30% on each instance type running for more than 25% each month. AWS 1 year free trial has matched by GCP credit of USD 300 for 12 months. Along with a free tier that is not time limited, GCP credits model is more suited for organizations newly venturing into cloud services. Google offers several off-the-shelf APIs pertaining to computer vision, natural language processing, and translation. Machine learning engineers can build models based on Google's cloud machine learning engines, open source and deep learning library. AWS versus Azure versus Google Cloud key takeaways. After going through the most significant pros and cons of these three cloud providers, it is obvious that each of them are unique in their own way and provides various options to the customers. But when we talk a close look at them, we can see AWS securing maximum footprint in this cloud battle of Azure versus AWS versus GCP. Even though AWS is ahead of the curve, it is still uncertain to say for how long AWS will be enjoying the dominance. Azure is leveraging the fact that it's easy to integrate MS tools with Azure cloud, so Azure can easily embrace organizations to use MS tools. On the other hand, GCP with the best pricing models can aid the customers with the cost concerns. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video, friends. Thank you.